guys, what's up? It's Josh, and I'm here with my mom today, and we're going to be doing the fart soundboard challenge, but we're going to be doing it with a little twist. Now, when I tell her the fart name, or if she listens to the fart noise, and if she laughs, I'm going to pick a would you rather question, and she'll have to answer that question, and she'll do the same thing for me. So do you want to go first?
Doesn't matter.
Okay. Now, you tell me the name of the fart, and when you pick it, just play it, and then if I laugh, then I have to pick a question.
Bronx rear.
Okay. I'm good. I'm good. Okay. Stuttering on the John.
Not yet. Skid marks.
Nope. Prelude to a crap.
You laughed.
No.
Let's see. Violinist.
Okay. Now you have to choose a question for me.
Now, do I read it?
Yeah.
Would you rather be a chronic farter or a chronic burper?
Chronic burper. Clucking chicken. You make those sometimes. Slide trombone. And you can play it multiple times to try to get somebody to laugh.
Ill earned fart. Question.
Of course.
Would you rather have a 1-minute conversation with your past self or your future self?
Future self. Puff Daddy.
Nothing yet. Kazoo. Question.
Why am I getting all the friggin' questions?
Because you're laughing, that's why. Here. Would you rather be in the real conversion? I can't read your writing. Would you rather be in the real version of The Walking Dead or Jurassic Park?
Jurassic Park. Feces pieces. You laughed.
I didn't.
You just did. You get a question. Would you rather lick someone else's armpit or have someone else lick your armpit?
either.
You have to pick it.
My own, I guess.
Wow, I see you do some crazy stuff.
Grass hole. Or gas hole. Gas hole. Not grass hole. Gas hole.
Did you have trouble playing it?
No, I paused it. Like that. Would you rather be a member of the Kardashian family or a member of the Obama family?
Kardashian family. That's an easy question.
Where are you throwing all those?
Rectal Bismol. Give me my hand back.
Bowels of the Titanic.
Oh, is that when it cracked? That's when it hit the bottom.
I don't know. Whew. Would you rather spend the day wearing wet socks or spend the day with a popcorn kernel stuck to your teeth?
Stuck to my teeth.
You would?
I don't want to wear wet socks. Ew. James Brown stains.
Oh, this one. I could do this one. Mudslide.
That's like when you're sitting on the toilet just waiting for somebody to go out of the bathroom and it just like leaves, like just goes. Tuna melt madness. Anus madness.
Question. My goodness.
They must have had Mexican food. Would you rather be in constant pain or have a constant itch?
Constant itch.
Okay. Hey, you ready? Ready, set, blow!
You ass.
Would you rather go without internet or a car for a month?
Internet. Packing tape.
You just had a major double chin when you did that.
Would you rather eat a whole jar of mayo or a whole tub of butter?
You got really southern. Yee!
You didn't answer the question.
Butter. C flat.
Stop it.
Would you rather be attacked by a giant snake or an angry piranha?
Snake.
Symphartic finale.
Ooh, oh Lord, he's probably got a hole in his pants. My goodness. Must have had beans for supper.
Stop going southern. Well, there you guys go. That's the end of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Grass hole. Or gas hole. Gas hole. Not grass hole. Gas hole. Or a whole tub of butter.
You got really southern. Yee!
You didn't answer the question.
Butter.
My goodness. Must have had beans for supper.
Stop going southern.
Can I hit you?
Say it again.
No.
Say it again.
No.
I want to put it as a blooper.
Ass.
No, earlier. When you said you wanted to have a blooper.
Oh, yeah, put a blooper. No, you need to cover that up so I can have a, so it'll be a blooper.
Why?
Because you don't say ass on a video.
Why not?
Because I said so.